guys, welcome back to the video. There's Junior. We're gonna go show you the fireworks that were blowing off, and then it will be just vlogging after that. Where are they at? I have to go show them what the fireworks look like.
Landon. I don't want my phone.
I'll go and then come back right back. Okay, guys, this is our yard. I can't show you the trucks because you guys will, well, take the thing off. But guys, we're gonna show you the fireworks that will be blowing off. Oh, we're fixing to do fireworks. I'm fixing to vlog it. We're getting set up, guys. Here, guys, this is what the fireworks look like.
But me and Lane is staying out.
This is his truck. Can't vlog it, but here's all the fireworks. Got so many. Yeah, I know it's not the 4th of July, guys, but, well,
You doing this?
get together. Emma! Emma!
You can't come up here.
Emma! I needed to go outside so I could get sure you can get this. Okay, guys, I know we're just making videos, but we will get to the real deal on fireworks when it gets dark. Right now, it's not dark. I can't show you the cars, but actually, I can show you this van, show you that. We just did all this. Ow. Yeah, guys.